The Mango Crepe roll cake is a light and elegant dessert, fruity and refreshingly indulgent. This cake is perfect for warm weather or as a show-stopping treat at any gathering. Easy to make, beautiful to serve, ideal for parties, birthdays, or an indulgent treat. Made with soft homemade crepes, fluffy whipped cream, and juicy chopped mangoes, this roll cake is inspired by popular Korean and Hong Kong-style desserts. No oven needed, just chill and enjoy a slice of tropical heaven. The roll is typically chilled for a refreshing finish, then sliced to reveal its beautiful spiral pattern. Learn how to make this mango crepe roll cake. Each slice reveals alternating layers of soft crepe, fluffy cream, and vibrant golden mango pieces. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Mango Crepe Roll Cake. Let's get begin. Step 1. Making crepe outer sheets. Take 25 grams melted butter. Add 25 grams of sugar. Whisk well. Crack 3 room temperature eggs. Again, whisk well. Add pinch of yellow food colour, it's totally optional. Pinch of salt. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Sift 3/4 cup plain flour in it. Combine well. Pour 1 cup milk into batches. Whisk. If batter curdled, don't worry. Simply grind it until smooth. Again, pour the remaining milk. Whisking until smooth. You can also simply grind all ingredients together in a mixer jar. Pour batter through sieve to get rid of any lumps and ensure smoothness. Thick but flowing consistency is perfect. Let the batter rest for 15 to 30 minutes at room temperature. Take non-stick pan and spray some oil. Wipe out with a kitchen towel. Pour 1/4 cup batter for each crepe. Tilt the pan to spread batter evenly as shown. Cook on one side on a low flame. Release sides with the help of the spatula. Remove it. Transfer to a plate. Repeat with the remaining batter. Keeping the flame low, pour a small amount of batter. Spread out completely as shown. Make sure there are no holes left. Once bubble appears, use a spatula to loosen the edges of the crepe. Repeat the same procedure for all. Pour batter and spread. Cook it on low flame. Cook until the top part is firm. Gently loosen the crepe edges using a spatula. Flip the pan over and crepe should be fall off. Let all crepes cool down completely. These quantities are enough to make 2 crepe rolls. Step 2. Let's make whipped cream. In a large bowl, add ice cubes. Place another bowl over it and take 300 grams chilled double or whipping cream. Add 1/4 cup icing sugar. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix with spatula, otherwise your kitchen will get messy. Now beat well until stiff peak forms. Beat well. Beat until smooth and fluffy. You should whip the cream until it holds on the whisk at the desired firmness level. The cream stands up firmly and holds its shape perfectly on the whisk without drooping. Very smooth, silky texture. Our whipped cream is ready. Keep in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, chop the mangoes. Step 3. Dice the mangoes. Take very ripe, sweet mangoes, like Alfonso, for the best flavour. Peel the mangoes. I'm using Alfonso. You can use whatever mangoes you like. But Alfonsos are the best. They are very sweet and juicy. Cut the mangoes into chunks. Remove it in a bowl and set them aside. Step 4. Assemble the roll cake. Place the first crepe flat on your work surface, smooth side down. Lay down 3 crepes at a time to overlap each other. Identify the smooth side. The rougher side has more bubbles or texture from being exposed to the heat directly. Lay the 3rd crepe overlapping the 2nd in the same manner. Overlap crepes slightly to form a large rectangle, about 2 to 3 rows depending on crepe size. place dollops of whipped cream on crepes. Spread out the whipped cream with the help of a palette knife or spatula. Smooth out evenly. Add mango chunks. Top it up with cubed mangoes, chunks evenly across the surface, leaving a small border at the edges. Can substitute mango with other fruits like strawberries or kiwi for variation, or even you can add chocolate chips as well. Don't overfill to avoid leaking when rolling. Fold up the sides to form a large rectangle. Dab with hands. Carefully roll up from one end into a tight log. Wrap tightly. It's a perfect log roll, ready to set. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours to set before cutting. Our mango crepe roll cake is set beautifully. Step 5. Serve. Place the mango crepe roll on the plate. Slice it and serve cold. Look how pretty it turned out. It turned out beautifully. Garnish with extra mango, mint if you want. Perfect for summer or special occasions, it's a visually appealing and deliciously fruity treat. It's better than the store-bought. Do try this super delicious mango crepe, roll cake or mango pancake rolls recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. It's delicate, fragile, so handled with care. Every single piece is creamy and stuffed well. Featuring layers of soft, thin crepes rolled around light whipped cream and juicy chopped mangoes. And there you have it. Dig it and enjoy it. You have to try this recipe. Let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This mango crepe roll cake is inspired by the delicate whipped cream-filled crepe rolls, popular in Korean and Hong Kong bakeries. If you love Asian-inspired desserts, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more sweet recipes. Do try and thank me later. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.